Hello, we are live here in Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander, and today I want to show you guys a virtual home tour of the Loralei. And this home, personally to me, is one of my favorites. The interior design is outstanding. It's so awesome. I can't wait to show you guys. So in a little bit now, we're going to be joined by Payal virtually through the portal. She will help us out with our tour and pretty much show us around and what this home has to offer. All right, so it's hot out here. In there it's not, so let's go in there so I can cool off and show you guys around. Now we're operating on one of our gimbals today, so I can show you guys nice smooth transitions of the tour. And the specs on this home is 3 beds, 2 baths, 1580 square foot. And it looks like Payal is calling us right now, so let us answer. Hey, how's it going, Payal?
Hey guys, how are you, Xander?
I'm doing good. I just can't wait to show these guys the Loralei today.
Yep, the Lorelei is definitely one of my favorites.
Alrighty, well, let me just connect you to the audio here so everyone could hear you clearly, and we will get started.
Perfect. See you guys on that tour. Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay. She should be good to go now.
All right, guys, let's get started on today's home walkthrough of the Loralei. So first off, we have this little area in the Loralei, which I really think is a nice touch to this home. It is referred to as a butler's pantry, so just some extra storage room. And then throughout this kitchen, you'll notice that it is a lot lighter in color tones, as in white or this gold hardware over here. And something I really love about this kitchen is the gold hardware. I really do believe it just makes the home feel a lot nicer, a lot more homey, more modern even, and I really love it. So as you walk around this kitchen, you'll even see that green color that's been a little bit more trendy lately, really making this home have a really nice modern feel to it, and a very bright kitchen, which I think is just super inviting. And personally, I would love to cook some meals in this kitchen over here. And then we have this nice little dining area where you can put in a dining table, some flowers, really make the Loralei feel like home. And something I love throughout the Loralei, where you can see here in this shot, is the woodwork that carries throughout the house. So here you have these wooden shelves together on top of this storage space, and there's an outlet right there even in case you want to put like a kitchen gadget, coffee machine, whatever works best for your family. And the storage space in this Loralei is amazing. That's 3 places for storage right there, a drawer and 2 cabinets with this countertop to really decorate. I love that the Loralei offers so much space to really make it your own. And then here we have the living room, and something I adore about this living room is that wood panel right there that you see. I love that it really just carries the wood throughout the house. It's perfect to mount a TV right there, to enjoy some movie nights with your family. And I even love those wood beams that are showing on top of the ceiling. I think it really just makes this home carry that wood effect all around. So now we are going into the primary bedroom over here. And the Loralei has 3 or 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So this is the first of the 3 that we will be showing today. And every bedroom specifically in the Loralei does come with the closet, which is perfect for those family homes. You know, everyone gets their own space, no fighting, no nothing, you know, really build a family home here. And then we are in now the primary bathroom, and what I love about the primary bathroom is the black details, which I think is a really nice contrast to the gold kitchen hardware. And I love that all of the sink faucets, the shower faucet, even in the bathtub you'll see that black faucet. And I think it just really carries that effect throughout this bathroom, and I even believe the other bathrooms have this black hardware as well, which I think just contrasts with the home very, very nicely. You have that light kitchen, and you still have a light bathroom, but just a little bit more of a dark touch to it. And you have this amazing spacious bathtub, and something that's unique about the Loralei is the fact that it has a shower and a bathtub. So again, this was the primary bedroom and bathroom. And now we're walking back through the living room. And again, for anyone just tuning in, this is our Loralei with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, but you do have the option to have a 4th bedroom. And here we are in the 2nd bathroom of the home, and I love that it connects to the kitchen and the living room, as it really allows for it to even be like a guest bathroom to anyone who comes to visit that living room, enjoy those movie nights, no worries. And then over here in the Loralei, something that's unique is also this extra living area. So this isn't a bedroom necessarily, but if that what fits your family best, you can even turn this into a nice little loft bedroom or even an office, a gym, just whatever fits your family best. And then next we have the 2nd bedroom out of 3, a nice little extra room. Turn this into a kid's room, turn this into a guest room, even just another bedroom. Perfect. Has an attached closet. And then right next door you have the 3rd bedroom here today. And again, something you'll notice throughout all of the rooms is these wood details that carry through. You can see right here around that closet door and even the bedroom door, it has these wood frames around it, which really does carry that wood accent throughout the home. So yeah, this was the Loralei. Thank you so much everyone for watching. All right, guys.
Thank you for assisting us today, Payal.
Of course, I hope everyone enjoyed the Loralei as much as I did.
Alrighty, we'll talk to you soon, Payal.
Yes, we will. See you guys next time. Bye.
Okay, everyone. So this is the Loralei, as we just showed. So happy you guys joined us today. Thank you so much. We're going to continue showing you these virtual home tours, so stay tuned for when we go live. And again, this was the Loralei. You could find this home on findmymobilehome.com, or if you have any other questions about this home, you could call us at 210-510-0500. Again, I'm Xander, and I'm happy to be here live with you guys. Until the next time, thank you.